Alright guys, welcome back to the channel, Unbox and Chill. We're here with another unboxing today. Um, we received our Watch Gang Black Chair subscription watch for December 2019, okay? First I want to say at the top of the video, if you're getting my voice, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. We're growing a community here. We do some unboxings, do some giveaways once we reach 1,000 subscribers. I'd appreciate it. Just go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We'll hang out. We'll have some fun here. So again, we did receive our Watch Gang Black Tube subscription. Just to remind you, if you don't know, Watch Gang is a subscription box service. They send you out watches. There are 3 tiers. This is a middle tier. This tier is $99. There's also one for $30. There's one for $2.99. That being a higher and lower, and this is the middle. So this is the middle tier. I have the watch you sent me out, and we're going to unbox it. We're going to take a look at it, and we're going to look at the specs on the website, okay? Before we get down into it, we'll just do a quick wristwatch check. I've got my Seiko Batman Turtle on today. I'll drop the unboxing video description, or I'll drop the link to my unboxing of this in the description box, okay? Let's move this out of the way. And I will say that last month we got the CCCP Kamchatka, okay? I will drop in the description as well a link to that one. That was the black chair that I received last month, and I was very pleased with that watch. That was actually the best watch that I have gotten from Watch Gang. And I will say I'm actually pleased to say this month that has been beat. Okay, I got an even better watch in my, in my obviously my humble opinion. But I got a better watch this month, and I was pleasantly surprised. It's a nice Christmas present for Watch Gang. So let's take a look here. Okay, this is now officially the best black sub watch that black subscription watch that I've gotten from WatchGang.com. Let's take a look at it. Okay, so we've got another Seiko. Okay, so I just bought this one. Got here last week, 2 days early. Loved it. Now I have another one to add to the collection. Let's take a look at it here. So let's bring it in. So one thing, it's got a paper box, which I spent $300 on this Seiko Turtle that also had a paper box, and I said, wow, such a nice watch, so well made. And you put in a paper box, like I said, I see $50 watches that have crazy boxes, but the box doesn't make it. The product clearly outshines the box, and I guess when you put out a good product like Seiko does, you don't need gimmicks, right? So let's get down to it here. So we've got the paper sheath. All right, so we've got Seiko. We'll take the box off here, and this is what they sent us out this month. Let's bring that in. So as you can see, I guess I'll turn it around. So as you can see, they sent us a Seiko, looks like a solar chronograph. Let's see here. We'll put that to the side real quick. Let's take a look here. So we've got the card here. Okay. So we'll move that to the side. Looks like we've got, it's just some plastic that came off of it. We've got the pillow. So we'll move this out of the way here. And here we go. Let's bring it in for some detail. So this is the this is a Seiko solar chronograph. So I think it's Prospex solar chronograph here. Very nice watch for the price. This was sent out for $99. For $99, you get a nice watch from a legacy brand. Listen, it's solar, it's a quartz, but don't listen to people who say, oh, it's quartz. Listen, I am of the idea and of the mindset that you should always have one quartz watch in your collection at least, so that you can just throw it on. Let's say I have this one sitting on my side table a couple days. It obviously stops running. It's nice to have this in your box that you can just go grab, throw it on. Looks dope, looks sharp, and the time is just gonna be set. You're only looking at plus or minus 15 seconds per month. But let's take a look here. So you got that nice blue face. So you got a date complication. Like I said, keep in mind, this is solar powered. Okay. You got a chronograph here. Right? This is a solid piece. It looks like you have a rotating bezel here. But the bezel does not click, which I was like, you know, it's not an issue. It's not bad at all. It's satisfying to turn it. But you know, when you turn and you get the click of the rotating bezel, that's ultimately satisfying. And then also it looks like it has a, you know, let's ignore south, east, west on here. So, but let's take a look at this. This is the band here. Let's see if we can take the plastic off. And as we look at the clasp, so they do have the MSRP on here. It looks like the MSRP they have on here is yep, that's it. That's pretty expensive. But you know, MSRPs are usually pretty high for on watches. They rarely sell for that. We'll talk about what I've seen it being sold for in a second here. So let's see if I can rip the plastic off. We've got a at this price point, you know, just kind of this regular clasp is not a bad deal at all. We've got this over here. You've got the fold over, and then Seiko, of course, etched right there. But nice bracelet. I wonder if it's the same bracelet from this watch. Yeah, it looks like it's roughly the same, almost the same style bracelet from the Batman turtle here. But no, I think this is a very nice piece. We're gonna pop it on the wrist, guys, and then we're gonna take a look at the specs here. So if you go up in here, you can look. Obviously, there's no display case back. There's no exhibition case back. Obviously, you know, no one wants to see a quartz movement, you know. But let's pop this off. We'll throw this on. We'll see it on the wrist. So now this is unsized, guys. Let's take a look here. Let's just see what it looks like. Okay, so I need to make some adjustments on mine, but as you can see, I have huge wrists. I could probably get away with just some micro adjustments on there. But let's bring it in on the wrist, guys. So here we go. We'll bring it in on the wrist. I think this is very sharp. This is very sharp. You can throw this on casually. You can throw this on with a, I think you could get away with this with a dress shirt. This is dope. And look at that. It says Seiko. You've got the, like I said, you've got a legacy brand here. You know, this isn't some brand that is, you know, unheard of or some micro brand. For 99 bucks, I think this was a steal. This is definitely going in my keeper box. I will be holding on to this one for quite some time. So, so I will say, let's take a look at the website, and then we'll get out of here, okay? Let's look at, so I pulled it up on Sony's website here. I've got it here on my phone. We'll bring that in. So here it is here. We'll take a look at the specs. All right, so you can see the movement there. Movement time, you got the solar. That's the accuracy, like I said, you know, 15 seconds per month. Let's see here. So let's see here. It says right here, operating approximately 6 months when fully charged. Wow, so 6 months is operation when fully charged. 6 months, that's crazy. Let's see here. So of course, you got a stainless steel case. You've got, let's see here, looking at the crystal, hard legs. Talk about the clasp. Just going through the basic specs here. Like I said, I mean, we know it's a solar powered, you know, quartz chronograph. You know, it's nothing too crazy here, but like I said, it's a nice throw and go piece. You can put it on and go. You don't have to worry about setting it. You don't have to worry about any of that craziness. And, you know, you've got something that you're just always going to have at the ready, which is the best, you know, always going to be at the ready. Let's get a couple more shots here before we sign off, guys. We got the blue face. We got the black subdials. We've got white hands and indices. Stainless steel body. I think this is a win. On a scale of 1 to 10, it's a go. Okay, so anyway, if you guys could like, comment, subscribe, let me know what you think about this month's Watch Game subscription down below. Also, I want to point out real quick too, if you take note, as of the last video and this video, we're working with a nice wide angle format. You can see a lot much more of my desk instead of just this area here. If you like that, hit the thumbs up button. Drop a subscribe, stick around. We got much more unboxings to come. I've actually got a watch coming Thursday, and I got one coming next week. So I appreciate you guys watching. Thank you so much. This has been Unbox and Chill. Talk to you later.